Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Contrary to a claim made by Olympic and World Championship long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock that he has never received as much as an email from Jamaica congratulating him on his performances on the global stage, TVJ Sports can report that that claim is false. Asked by the Inside Lane about the message his switch of allegiance to Turkey sends to the National Federation following his victory at Saturday's London Diamond League, where he cut the sand at 8.20 meters, Pinnock had this response.
See, I think Jamaica need to do better, with the athletes. Because I'm being honest, if I do decide to get hurt right now, I know Jamaica not going to put me back on my feet, for sure. And I do know that. I'm going to have to spend the money out of my own pocket. So, if I could get the opportunity where someone will look out for me, because I've been doing good for my country. And honestly, I never got an email from no one saying congrats before. Yeah, not even an email.
However, an email correspondence under the signature of Sports Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange dated December 13, 2024, addressed to Pinnock and seen by TVJ Sports tells a different story. The letter not only congratulated Pinnock on his silver medal performance at the Paris Olympics, but also indicated that the government would be awarding him an honorarium of 1.4 million Jamaican dollars, or approximately US $8,700 based on the exchange rate at that time. The letter added that, quote, "This token of appreciation reflects our gratitude for your hard work, services, and dedication to excellence." Pinnock was also among the Olympians celebrated by the Jamaica Olympic Association in November, where they were presented with cash rewards totaling millions. He received $1.5 million for his silver medal from the Paris Games.